Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to cut photo in Word. We start by opening Word and clicking on the photo that we have inserted. Next, we enter the top menu that has appeared for picture format. After that, we look for the crop tool and click on it. Afterwards, we will see that a series of markers have appeared around our image. We will place ourselves on these markers to move them, and thus cut out the parts we want from the image. When you have the crop ready, press the crop option again, or press the Enter key to apply the changes. Finally, we will see our cropped image. If you want to rectify the crop at some point, click on the image again, and then crop to modify the position of the crop and change it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.